Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to see your email from Facebook. So first of all, of course, you're going to open up your Facebook app. Then the the icon with three lines on the top, you're just going to click on that. Then you're going to go on to this the wheel, the gears, and that's actually where you get your settings. So you're just going to click there. And you're going to click on see more in account center. So now once you're here, you're going to go on to personal details and contact info. You're just going to click on that. So you have your email here. If you'd like to maybe change it, or if you'd like to maybe secure your account further by adding in a phone number, you can do that as well. So yeah, basically that's where you find that. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys found this helpful, and stay tuned for more videos.